Our solar system. The solar system is our cosmic home. Sun, the big, hot star at the center that gives us light and heat. There are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Dwarf planets: Pluto, Ceres, Eris, and more. The Sun is the heart of our solar system. Made mostly of hydrogen and helium. The surface is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, while the core is even hotter. Without the Sun, life on Earth wouldn't exist. It's 330,000 times heavier than Earth and holds the entire solar system together with its gravity. Sometimes, the Sun shoots out bursts of energy, called solar flares, which can affect satellites and power grids. Cool facts about Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. But not the hottest. Venus is even hotter. Mercury zooms around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. It can reach 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Mercury has almost no air, so it can't trap heat. Covered in craters from space rock impacts. In some places, the Sun rises, sets, and then rises again. Even though it's not the closest planet to the Sun, Venus is the hottest. Its thick clouds trap heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect, with temperatures up to 460 degrees Celsius, 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus is almost the same size as Earth, but has a very different atmosphere and surface. Winds on Venus can be faster than a hurricane. One day on Venus, one full spin, takes 243 Earth days, but it orbits the Sun in 225 Earth days, so a day is longer than a year. Venus rotates in the opposite direction, compared to most planets. Venus shines so brightly in the sky that it's called the evening star or morning star. Earth is the only planet known to have life, water, and breathable air. Not too hot, not too cold, just right for living things. Most of Earth's surface is covered by oceans, rivers, and lakes. Earth takes 365.25 days to orbit the Sun, and that extra 0.25 gives us a leap year every 4 years. 24 hours, Earth spins on its axis, giving us day and night. Earth has one moon, which helps control ocean tides. Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field protect us from harmful space radiation and meteors. Our planet is full of wonders. Mars looks red because of iron oxide, rust, in its soil. It's a freezing desert, with temperatures dropping as low as minus 140 degrees Celsius, minus 220 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Olympus Mons is the biggest volcano in the solar system. Valles Marineris is a canyon much bigger than the Grand Canyon. Scientists found frozen water and signs of ancient rivers. Mars once had liquid water, so scientists think it might have supported tiny life forms long ago. Robots like Curiosity and Perseverance are studying Mars right now. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. It's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, like a mini-star. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging for over 300 years. Jupiter spins super fast, completing a day in just 10 hours. It has over 90 moons. The biggest one, Ganymede, is larger than Mercury. Jupiter's gravity is more than twice as strong as Earth's. It has a huge magnetic field, trapping radiation and creating strong auroras. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, after Jupiter. It's famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. It's mostly gas, like Jupiter, and has no solid surface. A day on Saturn is only 10.7 hours long, but it takes 29.5 years to orbit the Sun. It has over 140 moons. The largest one, Titan, has thick clouds and lakes of liquid methane. Saturn is so light that it could float on water if there were a big enough ocean. Strong winds and storms swirl in its atmosphere, including a giant hexagon-shaped storm at its north pole. Saturn is truly a wonder of the solar system. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system, with temperatures as low as -224 degrees Celsius, -371 degrees Fahrenheit. It rotates on its side, tilted at 98 degrees. No other planet spins like this. A day on Uranus is 17 hours long, but it takes 84 years to orbit the Sun. It has faint rings made of dark dust and ice. Uranus is mostly made of ice and gas, like water, ammonia, and methane. Methane gas in its atmosphere makes it look blue-green. It has 27 moons, named after characters from Shakespeare and Alexander Pope's works. Uranus is truly a weird and wonderful planet. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, blowing at 2,100 kilometers per hour, 1,300 miles per hour. It's the eighth planet, making it super cold, -214 degrees Celsius, per -353 degrees Fahrenheit. Its beautiful blue color comes from methane gas in the atmosphere. Neptune has dark storm spots, like Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune has thin, faint rings, but they are hard to see. One Neptune year 165 Earth years, but a day is just 16 hours long.